In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a bank account from QuickBooks Online. We'll break it down step by step to ensure you can follow along easily. Let's get started. First, open up your browser of choice. I recommend using Chrome for the best experience as it provides seamless integration and functionality with most online platforms, including QuickBooks. Now head over to the QuickBooks website by typing quickbooks.intuit.com into your search bar and signing in with your user credentials. If you've done this correctly, you should be looking at your QuickBooks Online dashboard ready to dive into the next steps. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the chart of accounts. This is where all your financial accounts are listed and managed. To access it, direct your attention to the left sidebar on your screen and click on the option labeled Accounting. Within the Accounting section, you'll find an option for the chart of accounts. Go ahead and select that. This section gives you the bird's eye view of every account linked to your business, whether they're bank accounts, credit cards, or other financial entities. Now, it's time to find the bank account you wish to remove. You can do this in two ways: by scrolling through the list or utilizing the search bar to quickly pinpoint the account you're looking for. Once located, you'll see that there's an action column to the right side offering next steps for that account. In order to remove the account, you'll need to first make the account inactive. To do this, click the drop-down arrow within the action column next to the relevant bank account. Upon clicking, you'll see an option that says Make Inactive. Select this and a prompt will pop up asking for confirmation to remove the account from active lists. Confirm by clicking on Yes and the account will no longer be active, which essentially removes it from your operational list. Here's an important step: if your bank account is connected to a bank feed, you'll need to disconnect it. Still in QuickBooks, navigate over to the Banking or Transactions tab on the left sidebar and select Banking. Choose the bank account you want to remove. You should see a pencil icon next to the bank name which indicates the edit function. Click on it to open the account settings. Here you'll find an option saying disconnect this account on save. Select this to ensure your account is no longer feeding data into QuickBooks. Finally, don't forget to save your changes, and there you go. You've successfully removed a bank account from QuickBooks Online. Hopefully this step-by-step guide helped you accomplish the task with confidence. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out more detailed guides on our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day managing your finances.